Hey guys, I just wanted to welcome you this year to my class. My name is Pete Carlson. You can call me Mr. Carlson, Coach Carlson. My email's on the screen if you look up there. I'm just going to kind of go through and give you a real brief, super brief idea of what to expect. I know a lot of y'all have questions. I have questions. But hopefully we'll knock this out and come Monday it'll feel a little bit more comfortable for you. So how are we going to learn in here? That's a big question. I'm going to use Google Classroom to push out a lot of my assignments to you guys. Don't worry, you'll be emailed a link on how to join my classroom. A lot of teachers will be using Google Classroom, so hopefully I won't be your only teacher using it, and it should be pretty comfortable for you guys. I'm going to use Microsoft Teams to interact with you guys. Whenever I need to do anything live with you guys, back and forth, we'll be using Microsoft Teams. And again, almost all your teachers will be using Microsoft Teams, so if you're not really comfortable with it yet, don't worry, you got time. Delta Math. I am probably going to use Delta Math for small quizzes and things like that, maybe also for tests. Delta Math's a great tool. It's very easy, very user-friendly, and again, we'll go through how to use all that stuff later. Now, Verge, a lot of teachers will use Verge. At this point, the only thing that I think we're going to use Verge for is for our tests. There may be a change to that, but for right now, the ones in the middle column, Google Classroom, Microsoft Teams, and Delta Math, are probably going to be my main ways of interacting with you guys. So a little bit about me. I've been here since 2007. I'm actually the oldest or longest teaching teacher in the math department. I've been teaching since 2003. I'll be teaching coordinate algebra and analytic geometry. I've taught both these classes numerous years. So again, we should be in pretty good shape with the knowledge of the material, at least I am. But again, the biggest hurdles we're going to have this year is our communication and how to interact and how to make sure that we're doing things and how to stay on task and things like that. So what do I need from you guys? I need you guys to enjoy the rest of your summer. But on Sunday, I need you guys to check your emails, your student emails, and you should have all the information that you need from me for day one. Again, I'm Coach Carlson. I really look forward to interacting with you guys, and I really look forward to the day when we actually get to meet in an actual classroom.